The world doesn't need more good ideas. It needs a filter. Most entrepreneurs fail because they mistake noise for a signal. Today, we are ending that. Welcome to the launch of the Core Strategist version 2.7, your private Logic-Gate engine built for the 2026 resilience standard. Let's test it with a classic, a low-budget dropshipping concept. Watch the engine work. Host, system decision, action. Why? Because it's actionable, but look at the execution roadmap. It doesn't just say, go for it. It gives you a tactical 3-step sequence: research, setup, and targeted social ads. It turns a vague idea into a direct command. Now, let's go deeper. A proprietary AI tool for law firms. This is where the high-value decision comes in. Alignment, 85%. The reasoning is surgical. Unique data leverage. The engine identified the moat, the barrier that keeps competitors out. In the innovation spark, it suggests real-time judicial data integration. That's not just AI chat, that's senior-level consultancy. What if your views are dropping? What if your current strategy is leaking? We ran a tech news channel audit. Decision, action, verdict. Reboot your content strategy. Instead of just more videos, the roadmap forces you to analyze performance and identify gaps. It's about being data-driven, not effort-driven. Every audit you just saw is archived locally on your device via local persistence. No cloud leaks, no subscription traps, just pure strategic clarity. On the Solutions page of the website https://www.thecoremethodhowto.com. The Core Strategist version 2.7 is now live. Audit your logic, protect your future, stay resilient, stay professional.